Yeah, I was gonna do a video about my cat, Q&A about my missing cat, and then my current kitty. I don't know where he is. Shadow! Anyway, yeah, totally normal day. Nothing exciting going on the video after this, except this is my 100th video, but whatever. Okay. What is that? Ew. My mom said we needed to throw potatoes out, but I thought she was kidding. There's a sweat bee, too. Awesome. Anyway. Now this video has probably turned in how to care for your potato correctly and properly. Because I just found a potato laying. Car passing by. Cars passing by. They're like, what is she doing? Is he stopping? You just seen my face. That exact moment. Why is he going so slow? Like, you know when people are going to stop, like you could see how it's going to stop? Like this dude's just going slower and slower. Okay, how to properly... This is like, ugh. Ew, look at it. It's all split open. This is why you need to use your potatoes, folks. Or you'll be making YouTube videos like this. Throwing rocks. Ew, taking care of your potato. Die, potato! Woo-hoo, that potato bounces. Oh, she bounces. That thing bounced. Ew. Ugh. I feel like I have potato germs on me. What did my mom want? Of course, my mom wants something at the bottom of the freezer. Nope, not. Oh! Most likely, Mom. Most likely, it was kind of at the bottom of the freezer.
Shouldn't have been. We just bought them.
I know. Well, I couldn't find Shadow, so I'm gonna make a video how to properly care for your potato, because you threw out rotten potatoes apparently.
You did?
I guess Daddy did. Look, a basket just did this. Look.
You showed me.
Not you. I'm showing them. My basket. I was carrying this basket, and the handle like broke. Like, and it's so sharp, and it did that. Like, ow, man.
Here.
My face is clearing up, isn't it? I don't need aloe that much anymore.
How to use a microwave.
How to use a microwave? Yes. I just get more crappier, and it's gonna be my 100th video today too. After this video, so I'm just mainly what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to make a crappy video so I can get it out of the way so I can make a good video after this.
I'm hungry. Go.
Oh, she hungry.
Big girl gotta eat.
Yeah. What have I gotten myself into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ow, 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 ow. What time is it, girl? My dad should be home any minute, honeys. Hey, yeah! Let's go watch! What if my voice was permanent like this? Let's go watch my dad!
Okay, Bronte.